Well, I just finished planting all the plants I bought at the SCC Plant Sale yesterday. So I'm going to go around and show what my front garden looks like. These are the chamomile plants. I had a cat who used to love to lay in this bed. And she loved to lay on the chamomile, so I put chamomile on there. Here is thyme. Here is skullcap. I understand that it makes a great tea to help to calm. Nothing there yet. Here's some fuchsias. Yes, some fuchsia plants I bought. I'm going to be watering after I do this. Here's lavender, and I put 2 more lavender plants in here. I use the alpaca fiber that is really coarse as a mulch, and another day I'll put more mulch alpaca fiber in. Okay, let's go over to, this is a mint and spearmint, and I forgot what that is, but we'll see what happens. So there's spearmint in the middle, that's a little one, and I have some mint. Okay, let's go to the next box. The next box is gourds. I decided to try again this year to see if I can grow some gourds. I think that would be lots of fun. This is what happens to a tree when it's not eaten by a llama. Beautiful. Let me go to the next section. I'm in the next section in front of my house, and there are the guinea hens making a whole pile of noise. Anyway, so here's asparagus I planted this is the 3rd season. So what I found out is now I can eat some. So that will be good. These are raspberry bushes that Chelsea brought from her old home, and they have been spreading and growing very nicely. I bought some blueberry plants, and I have some coffee inside for them. I found out that it's better to give them coffee than coffee grounds. So here are the blueberries. This one is one I had from a few years ago, and it has a green branch, so I'm wondering if it's going to grow again. Okay, I see a weed, so I'm going to pull a weed. Okay, and that's another blueberry right there, another blueberry right there. Okay, let's go over to the strawberry patch. These strawberries were the plants that I bought at the sale yesterday. The ones in the back, these ones are ones that I planted last year and then came back. What I'm hoping is that eventually I won't have to plant any more strawberries and that they will come back. Okay, this bed is not exactly filled with anything yet, but bought a blackberry bush, so planted that there. The rhubarb, I think it's been a couple of years. Yeah, about 2-3 years. And it's growing nicely and it's going to flower. This is my mint section. Oh, sorry. This is sage that I'm going to take the leaves off. They smell so good. And wait, this is mint, and it is growing back really nicely. Had some succulents, planted some sage, and here is Russian sage that has come back, which makes me quite happy. This is, well, I know this is kale. This is kale up here. I think these are onions or scallions or something. I don't know. They came back this year. But this is kale. And this is, I think it's Swiss chard. Oh, it's broccoli. Sorry. This is broccoli. So I have broccoli, kale, and some sort of onion something. Okay, so let's go to the last section. The last section I have, this is Swiss chard. This is a Swiss chard. I might have planted it a bit close. Here are different types of peppers. And then we have the tomatoes. Initially, I was thinking of planting the tomatoes and the peppers in the back garden, but I just didn't feel like doing it, so I put it in this section, which is a new section to plant them. Okay, so this is the garden for right now in May. Take care.